As part of the National Tobacco Control Program, an awareness campaign on tobacco-free youth was organized at the Community Health Center, Bhoirymbong. The event aimed at educating young minds about the harmful effects of tobacco use and promoting a healthy, smoke-free future for the next generation. Resource person Dr. N.B. Mowry, senior dental surgeon, delivered an engaging presentation highlighting the adverse effects of tobacco on both oral and overall health. The campaign witnessed active participation from young leaders and school children from various institutions.
Ipersang bangin ai kene kejing awareness program ikini nak samla kumpi baro nang ba nikwa bapinung dangka initiation daka pareng ki onka initiation we must stop the initiation kamut tang bapin madru limde bangin himde bapin aila gelade tang bapin madru basisini pilamat pilamo kadang tende ha bapin mat ngo de kene kejing ngau do ini ki parlo kumbai kilaya ong nawi na yang mais kila ong benda na yo so kile kijing share shisha ki ong ba kile ba ki para lok ki ong ki tomat se tam shisien ni le de ko wat nu le ara ni wat nu tie wat nu de film tre kin ong melong kusen ye kisen rang kin ben melong kum thei ki kin thei ba kin ong mele lo phala ki pon ja kijing pendram ha para ha pedeng ki para lok ni ne